Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enter a yes or no or drop down list in Excel sheet. Okay, so as you see I have entered this or insert this tab where I can easily tick yes or no in every cell. Okay, so as you will see I have entered this table or created this table. Okay, employee name, day of work, daily wages and salary. Okay, now I want to make sure that whether I have paid them salary or not. So for that I have to create this drop down list so that I can easily tick mark. Okay, so what to do? So I want now I will create that drop down list here. So to create that drop down list you have to select one cell. Okay, now here in the ribbon you have to go to data, and in data you will find an option data validation. Click on it, then here allow any value. Here you have to click on list. Now in source you have to type yes, no. Okay, click on okay. Now you will see yes or no. You can copy this to the bottom and you can make sure. So like this you can create this yes no list or drop down list in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.